Fix Device Setup Manager Service, DsmSvc, High CPU in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Fix corrupted system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Solution 2. Scan system for malware. Solution 3. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Solution 4. Use System Restore. Select the one you want, ideally before the issue started occurring, and go ahead with the process.